Welcome to the RECON Trader. In today's video, I thought I would share with you all a profit or loss update for the Aster DEX grid trading bot that I deployed just about a month ago. I believe it's been about 42 days actually. So with that being said, let's dive right into the weeds. Actually, before we dive into the weeds, for those of you who are not familiar with how a grid bot actually operates, it's fairly simple. The grid is made up of open limit buy, which would be the green lines, and sell orders, which would be your red lines. And you typically have a upper limit, which would be this thick red line you see running towards the top. That's the maximum range the bot can go up. And then you typically have a lower limit, which is the green line down here at the bottom. That would be the maximum range the bot would trade in if the price were to go down. So basically, the bot has a trading range made up of open limit orders, buy and sell. Once those are established, then the bot basically buys low. As the price goes down, it will buy low. And then as the price reverses and goes up, it will sell high and take profit. Very simple, and the key component that you're probably looking for is volatility. And if we jump over here to the Bitcoin chart on the 4-hour candles, that is precisely what we have seen over the last 42 days. Bitcoin's price is essentially chopped sideways between about 76,000 and as low as maybe 60,000. And so I deployed the bot way back here on like February 5th. And the first thing it did, you might not see it, but there's this long wick to the downside. So the bot did buy low, and then the price reversed and ripped up, started selling for profit, and then rolled over, bought low again, sell high, buy low, and then sold high again on this push, bought low, took profit all the way up, opened up a new position. Then we ripped up high again to about that upper limit area. And now the price of Bitcoin's rolling over. So this bot is going to start buying low again. And so this would be ideal price action for a grid bot. Now we can jump over here to the Aster DEX exchange. It is a decentralized exchange. In fact, if you're not familiar with Aster DEX, we can jump over here to CoinGecko, go to exchanges, scroll down to perp dexes, give that a click, and then you'll see Aster Futures is actually number 2 when it comes to decentralized exchanges, right behind Hyperliquid. And in fact, Aster is a little more true to the sense of a decentralized exchange because you don't actually send money to Aster DEX. Your funds stay in your MetaMask wallet or whatever wallet you're using, and you interact with the exchange using smart contracts. And so that is how I interacted over here with Aster DEX. I connected my MetaMask exchange, made a deposit, which wasn't really a deposit. I just created a smart contract for the amount of funds I wanted to go ahead and trade with. So now let's take a look at how this bot is actually performing. And you can find your grid bots under the More tab here. Click on Grid Trade. That will bring us over here to the Futures Grid dashboard where you can actually deploy your grid bots. I'll drop a link to that video where I actually deployed this grid bot in the description down below. And as you can see, I currently have one grid bot running down here at the bottom of the screen. If we click on View, we get some of the details for this bot. And so that brings up the details on this grid bot. It's trading BTC USDT perpetuals. I decided to go long. You can see the bot's been deployed for just over 42 days. And the annualized yield, which is just a figure based on past performance, so it doesn't really guarantee future results, but the annualized yield would be about 135% if this bot performed the same way for a year that it's done for the past 42 days. Now, if we jump over here to completed transactions, you can see the bot has been doing its thing. It's been buying low, selling high, and so that is how it's capturing the profit. But for better details, we can click on Grid Details, and you can see my total investment is $2,499.50. Now, I used 5x leverage when I deployed this bot, so my actual margin or my money that's actually at risk is around $500. And so the total profit so far is $77.60 or just about 15.5%. Not bad, but with 5x leverage, I'd actually like to see the profit quite a bit higher, probably 3 to 5 times higher than what I'm currently experiencing. Now, there is a difference between total profit, your realized profit, and your unrealized profit. So my realized profit is $70 or 14%. That is based on the actual closed trades where the bot sold high, captured that profit. That amount goes right into my pocket, basically. Unrealized profit means the bot has open positions that are in the profit. If the bot were to close right now, I would be up another almost 1.5%. So again, overall, given Bitcoin's bearish price action, not bad. It's a profit in a bearish market, which a lot of folks would be really happy with. And in fact, I am happy with it. I just feel like I can capture 15% in 1 day trade. So if I did that over, say, a 20-day period, this figure would be 20 times higher than what I'm experiencing with the grid bot. However, the grid bot is fully automated. I don't have to do anything with it. I just set it and forget it. In fact, I kind of did forget about it. That's why it's been 42 days before I did the update. So overall, I can't complain. I'm getting passive income on funds I'm basically willing to lose. So that's enough jaw-jacking for this video. I might do an update video again in the future on this grid bot, so now would be a good time to shoot that subscribe. If you found this information useful, maybe you could do me a favor, spike a like. Also, feel free to drop your comments or questions down below. And until next time, remember, never send your money into battle without first doing your recon. See ya.